This is an OpenDocument Text file. It is the native format of LibreOffice. Microsoft Word can open it, but formatting might look slightly different. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it in Word. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware. I've kept the most effective ODT file solution for the tough cases near the end. When indexing, the system places ODT into the document file group for classification. The OpenDocument Text is the definitive structure for this data. An ODT file is a document created by word processors that adhere to the OpenDocument standard. It's the native format for applications like Apache OpenOffice Writer and LibreOffice Writer. ODT files can contain formatted text, images, tables, and other document elements, promoting interoperability across different software. ODT files are XML-based, adhering to the OASIS OpenDocument Format for Office Applications, ODF standard. This structure allows for platform independence and facilitates data exchange. The format supports various features, including styles, templates, and embedded objects, ensuring document fidelity. The direct link for opening ODT files is established with LibreOffice Writer from the Document Foundation. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows provides only partial editing support, so full functionality requires dedicated document utilities. We are testing the limits of your installed programs. Right-click the ODT file and select Open With. Test LibreOffice Writer first. If it fails, select another application. Compatibility is not always straightforward. If your ODT file is not opening yet, that is normal. Since this ODT is a niche format, we can't assume a simple fix. Don't worry, we'll quickly check these key details to find where the error lies. First, use LibreOffice, OpenOffice. Open the file using LibreOffice Writer or Apache OpenOffice Writer, which are the primary applications for the format. Next, use Microsoft Word. Open the file using Microsoft Word. If it fails, check for a compatibility pack or update Word. Finally, use Archive Extractor. Since the file is an archive, rename the extension to .zip and use 7-zip to extract the internal content, XML file to salvage the text. If your ODT file resisted every application on your machine, you need software designed to ignore compatibility errors. That's the kind of tool we move to next to try and fix this ODT issue. I highly recommend FileMagick because its core feature is its instant view capability, which works even when the underlying ODT format has been tampered with. Download it today at filemagick.com. We solved that issue quickly. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.